Hello, so this is a part 2 of just making this journal. It's just a basic journal. So part 1, you'll find all the links below. I'll put it in a little mini playlist so that you can go and see them. Right, so first of all, I'm going to repair the bit that I accidentally cut off, okay? Well, I didn't cut it all off, I tore it, and then I ripped it all off. And then I thought, oh, I could have saved that. Right, so set that part up there. So it'll come off of here, okay? And it's like that. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know which way to do it. I do it that way, or here maybe, with a piece of that. Saying that, I've only got the one piece of that. Hang on a sec, I may have another piece. I do. It's digital washi here, and this is from chapter 1 papers. Where's my knife gone? There it is. So I'll have two different pieces. I could have used just washi, but I want to use like something like this. I don't have washi that's like this as such. So I'm just trimming that off there. Okay, right. I'll just move that. I'm not sure if that's in the camera. So we'll just snip off. I picked the wrong scissors up, but never mind. Some ones I wanted. Okay, right. So we will need glue stick, which I've got here. And yes, that's upside down. It's just because it's the way I want it to go, and I'm a righty, so I kind of need things that side for me. Right, so just make sure I get plenty of this on there. Could have used double-sided tape, but I have got some. I just don't know where it is. Right, and I'm going to try and line that up that way first. Let's see if I can straighten that with using my grid on here. She says, and it's probably not even gonna, there we go. Okay, near enough. Right, just make sure. You know what, I have just literally done that the wrong way. I've got to tore it now. See, these are the kind of things that happen in real life. It was supposed to go that way. Silly mare that I am. Oh dear. Right, start again. I'll have to put a bit of washi down there now because I've messed that up. Oh dear. Right, so that... Let's try this again. See, I'm on human. That is only human. Right, and that's slightly bent now. Right, like that. And I'm just going to rub a bit down there. And then just going to make sure that that's... I can't go there in any other way, can it? Oh yeah, it could. No, it can't. Right, I'm just going to leave a little tiny gap there. Just a tiny gap. Like so. And then I'm just going to run another piece down that side of there. Just making sure that's that side. Not really worried actually about it being... There we go. So that was 2 mistakes with this one piece. You might not want to watch the rest of these videos. Okay, right, okie dokies. Let's put the lid on that. Right, so I'm going to let that dry for a minute. Just going to set that out of the way a second. Right, so these are the little pieces that I'm going to add as tip-ins, like extra pieces that would create tuck spots. I really don't want to do it there. So I'm I'm just going to fold that to there. And I'm just going to fold that piece in, but not quite to the line, just a little bit. Okay. And just thinking, shall I put it there? Because I can decorate that piece if I wanted to, or not quite sure that's where I want it to go. I might do it there, and I might do it down the bottom. Yeah, I'm going to do it down the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to butt that up to there, and I should have got my glue ready, because this will be a nightmare now. It won't want to come out. This is just tacky glue that's in these little bottles, which you get from well, I got them from Crafter's Companion. And down below in the description box you can find a link to my Crafty Favourites, and I think they're on there. It is an affiliate link. Well, it's on my it's Amazon things that are on my Pinterest, but they've been linked on there with affiliate links. Okay, so that's there. I've got 4 pieces here, but I might not use them all. So the other side, we want, so that piece I'm just going to keep like that, and I think that might be a bit too big, so I'm going to trim a little piece of that off. Where's my craft knife? There it is. Okay. Let's see if that's, yeah, and I'm just going to fold that in, not quite to the line, because obviously we want it to fold in nicely. And that one I'm going to put on that way, because with these you could decorate the pocket. I'm not going to do the decoration with this. This is just basically how I put a little journal together, and then I go and decorate it. Right, so might actually put that in the middle. Okay, right, on with the glue again. And so that's that. I'm not quite sure if I'll use the other ones now. I don't know. Let's have a little fiddle around. And I don't want this piece, so I'm just going to fold it back and then tear it off, or cut it off, one of the two. We'll cut it off. Keep putting my knife over the other side just because I'm running out of space here. Right. I'm going to do that like yes, let me see here. So there, I'm just going to glue it down here and along there, and then you'll see how that opens. So I hope everyone is well and keeping busy, keeping crafty. Right. Now this potentially, well, it's a pocket back here. So check that that's right. Pocket back there. You could put pockets on here. You could put just a little embellishment on there. You could put another pocket there. So that's that. And then I think, is it that side? Yeah, we'll do something here. So let's see, that actually, let's work this out. Sometimes I do have to think about this. Right. Do I want that to come out like so? No. Do I want it to go on there? Maybe. And that could be a little tuck. Yeah, so I'm just basically going to, oops, run the glue down here, straight as possible, which is a wiggly worm line. There we go, and then just try and match that up. Like so. Just like that. Right, so that's us got tip-ins, and let's go back to this piece here. That I may actually have to go down that with oh, I've got paper drying everywhere in here at the moment. I may have to just do a little score line down there, just like that, because obviously I can't see now where the there we go. So that's us patched that mess up. Okay, and I can't remember where that went now. Was it here? I think it was there. Was it there? Yes, it was there. Okay, so that's me just added some tip-ins or flip outs, whatever you want to call them. And I'll come back and do this, the cover, and then sewing this into the cover. Okay,